All right, let's do the fun part, the tent. One thing that I learned myself while setting it up 2 or 3 times, it's easier to do the tent before you do the bat wing. We have a little step ladder that's stored inside the RV. The first step would be, there is a whole bunch of clips like that. I believe it's like 2 or 3 on each side. So I'm gonna go around and unclip them so we can take the cover off. Alrighty, so you probably noticed that taking off the cover is quite a bit of a process. 2 people probably is a little bit easier. So once the cover is off, you can, I suggest completely bring it down, otherwise water will accumulate it, and just fold it and either put it underneath the trailer or put it somewhere aside. So we're just gonna set it for here for now. Okay, now the good part, that the tent itself setup is very easy. There is a ladder on the top. So you can see on the top here, there is a ladder, and all you have to do is just pull it like this. Pull it with your hand as far as it goes. All right, just pull it down like this. And here we go. Nice and easy. Alrighty, so the setting up the tent is really like a 2-step operation. So first you bring it out with a ladder, then second one you have to set up this little annex. To do this, there is a little pin on the left. Maybe I should take this handlebar first. Probably should. There we go. And then there's a little locking pin. You raise this side, same locking pin on the right side. Here we go, 1, 2. So you have your annex, and now to pry it open, I just attach it somewhere out there. Really easy actually. Once you do it once, it's not difficult. And then just stretch it as much as you can and lock it. And here you go. So this is the tent. Has a little neat pockets like for your shoes, so you don't have to bring them in the tent. Also, all 3 windows, actually all 4 windows, including the door, they unzip, and there's also a mesh. Really nice. Literally takes, I mean, if you're not counting in the cover, it takes about 5 minutes to open and close it. With the cover, probably takes total of 10 minutes.